Many cavities and footprints in NetBlock 3D now have insertable CAD models to represent assembly components. To insert a model, select the cavity, and at the bottom of the Cavity Properties pane, select New CAD Model. Use the menu and arrow buttons to navigate through the models that correspond to the cavity type, and press OK to insert a model. Models will move to follow their parent cavity. To hide models while working, users can show or hide models on an individual basis in the Cavity Properties panel, or throughout the entire block by using the Show Hide Components command on the top ribbon menu. Models can be deleted one by one, or deleted when the attached cavity is removed from the block.